Welcome back to Beach Hut Cook channel. Today we're cooking on the fire pit and we're having a party. We have a couple of birthdays this month, so we've gathered together at the beach hut and we're having Moroccan spiced chicken flatbreads. So that we can all enjoy the party, I've prepped the chicken and a richly spiced buttermilk marinade ahead of time and simply placed everything in a sealable bag ready to go on the fire as soon as it's nice and hot. So none of that mixing and chopping at the last minute. More time for talking and laughing. The recipes for the dish and the toppings that you'll see later are all on beachhutcook.com, so there's no need to write anything down. Build your fire and once up to temperature, add your skillet or frying pan to the heat. Then once heated, test it's nice and hot by adding a small amount of chicken, and if it has a good sizzle, then you're ready to go. Once cooked, remove the pan from the heat and allow to rest for a few minutes while you heat the flatbreads on the fire and get the toppings all together. There are two toppings here. One is a roasted red pepper salad with walnuts and pomegranate molasses, and the other a citrusy garlic and herb yogurt dip. Wasn't it fun cooking outside on the beach? I love it. I'd like to do it again. Shall we?